first class school, no, it will be reserved for the rich peoples.
Okay.
Not in classic school now, any classic school, no, and no, they here for man ebeko. And then me tell John Mama and the State of Nation, me tell at least about 70%. Nah, a very friend is saying, it's like a bufusem. In simple put, no, a bufusem. You see, it's out to one hour share. Oh, share, dear now. It's like, I don't know. Say, your mama bet me have a catch there, say, economy, or no, obey inheritance, you know. Economy, yeah, very, just say, a sacred. Now, is it, and yes, I be a, you can say economy, I say, and you want no, I would be cast at the end, I say, no, and I just say you. Your economic indices and your economic indicators are the economy say you think say in indices when I say indicator we actually say economy I say. So in this case, no, let's compare the previous administration. Okay, 2013 to 2016. Okay, now. 2017 economy akufo do be inherit efri ni nsem na yen fan compare the ono so be gi ye efri akufo ado nsem.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
I have some of the figures on the screen for you to read from.
Yes. Because before say President Mess eba be wu no. Economy with oil no na economy no grow about 14%. With oil, now grow about 14%. One thing, President Atames, we know, now inflation, I a single digit. I think it's 8% or 9%. I stand to be corrected.
It was 8.
8%, absolutely.
Yeah.
What do you say?
Yeah.
Now, your friend is saying, now every indicator be a measure economy be now you're very positive. Before say you demand John Mahama. In fact, the economy no margin president we are obeso now you're 14% annually. Now economy is growing annually for 14%. Now obeje you know within 3-4 years. Now we're shrinking economy to 3.4%. So what you say? Now my economy not shrinking to 3.4. Now interest rate acquire the 15%. A car na President Miss Eddie Jam Mahamano is a little over something like $40 billion. Within 4 years, you know. That balloon to $120 billion cedis. Sorry. A balloon to 20 billion cedis, 120 billion cedis. So what I say? Yes.
Yeah.
Voice me that say. And you know, Anna, before say President Miss Eba be uno economy now or Jeffrey President on one mentor, on one master and seminal. Now there is nothing called doing so. Now so beso mono on my head desumu for 4 consecutive years. And he edu stage be so pe fu e krampo a just say o kill o ko silence na when ya fu ato. O just say intino enya wa no obetumi abegina parliament aka economy no afa no enya no na yo. What is the indicators? But let's come to the Nanado and Dan Kwakufado. On the 7th January 2025, and Nanado handed over government or honey of Amajo Mahamano. Na yen economy no na a grow 6.3% annually. Now, your friend is saying, your reserve now, John Akufo-Addo Jeffrey Mahama no. It's a little over, I think it's 6 weeks. About $2.5 billion.
No, we left them with 5.7 billion United States dollars. That's what we gave them.
But the person just say, but what we are inherited from them,
okay.
2017, it's about $2.something billion.
Yeah.
Isn't it?
Yeah.
Yes.
No,
but
what we got from them is 5.78 billion, and what we
left from them.
What we are leaving them is 9 billion. 9 billion.
Absolutely. Almost double. Almost double. Almost double. So what are you talking about? And is he? I feel like I say you almost started debate here. President Mahama will be exposed big time.
Yeah.
He will be exposed. Say starting debating the State of Nation address in Parliament now. I swear, the man will be disgraced.
Yeah.
Because you see, what control aye propaganda, sa abeje power. You want to live, you want to govern with a lie. It's impossible. It will never happen. You get it? And to me, see, you see, and now Kasembi say, I John Dramani Mahama, I want to put it on record, say, I will never cancel free senior high school. Master, action speak louder than words. Action speak louder than words. It's not a word though. Action speak louder than words. Your action, your anything that we be actually say, I didn't because and then I'm tell Kofi Asare Edward. One more committee no say omo recommended free senior high school no. Now me tell back Joy FM. Me say free senior high school no. Take it from me. Mahama obetu one chamumpona. You see, obe frustrate ya to the extent say one kasa probe job obe kasa Obama no go school. Because time I go school no ade etumi ma yenum bi ya bre school pa no PTA dues. Okay, ye betumi at the PTA dues are frustrate you sama. I hear some scra won tire. I go for Dubai and no say saade no. Hindrance and na say impediment emma nkofo tumi nko school. We ye free ho. Wo ba ya esan say wo pese wo twam nti no wasa de sa PTA dues na aba. Na wasa be ka kire yen say committee na and then Edward Kofi Asare na metie no wo say won ti ase say free senior high school no wo pese o enjoy free senior high school no wo ya border no aban be feed you and I say wo boarding fee no aban be tua. So in that case no he's trying to say so person o kire say any so person enjoy free senior high school there you have to take care of your accommodation and then the feeding. Voice mami bi so asamo mimi frakachi voter region. Mimi frakachi voter region. Therefore say me bra baby and I say babusu ni me offer bi say wanya free senior high school we appointing say one bra Achimota secondary and wanya selections one bra Achimota secondary school. Enti na say mo say me pese whatena board in there mean tua. Does it mean say me niska me debate your boarding fee na me bana and as me offer na heading about Achimota school emana mana. You see that policy now person or the bano the person or children say o person obano enjoy free senior school to your boarding fee and to your feeding fee na e say all the grade 1 schools na wo Ghana hana na na do pese ehiafo ma nyina tumi kobi ye nyina ye mengo na kobi no se me menye sika na se metumi atua me ba boarding school dia na se me feeding fee I have to choose school and me pese me ba no ko. Do you get what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Did you get it?
Yeah.
Yeah, because some me was say me no voice wo ska obetumi atua oba e wo Achimota secondary school ni feeding fee ni boarding fee me niska na say wo watua na say me niska no so menya ska ntua wo feel say me ne oba no wo a wanya ska tua ane me ntua me no oba no na e be fa no
say me ameba.
yes Did you get it? So,
Yeah.
so or the senior man bar or person or say the first class school, no, it will be reserved for the rich peoples.
Okay.
Not in classic school now, any classic school, no, and no, they here for man ever call. And you know, free senior has no better. Yes, then I know about say one travel, but actions speak louder than words. Not me, and me, be say school, free senior has no, obey trim, and do the moving to us.